Okay, family, we're back. We're going to make another princess platter, but this one you can use it to put your food in, then afterwards you can use it to put your items on. Okay, you ready to make something beautiful? Let's get started. Now the supplies you would need are, you would need some small bowls. Okay, it comes 4 to a pack, or either a big bowl, some gems, napkin holders, a platter, beads, and tiaras. First, we're going to open our napkin rings. And we're just going to use 4. And we're going to place our beads in here, right in the middle. Okay, fam, I am finished. Yay! I didn't glue any of the bowls down because I want to show you guys the different ways you can use the different bowls, the small ones or the big one, okay? Or nothing at all. Okay. I hope you like this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and turn that notification bell on. Thank you. Hello everybody, it's sharing time. What's sharing time? What's sharing time? Come on, everybody, it's sharing time. Sharing time with me. I'm getting ready to share with you guys 20 items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. You ready? Let's get started. Most of the items are for a baby girl because I'm going to do a basket. Bag number 1 has these beautiful candle holders. I got 3 of those. 1, 2, 3. Bag number 2. Cute little basket. Tissue, paper, and adhesive diamond wrap. They come in little squares. Bag number 3 is a bottle brush. A bib. Now that's cute little bib, and you can just wipe it off instead of dropping it inside the washing machine. Isn't that cute? Baby bottle, Mickey Mouse. And notice that it has the polka dots just like the bib. Woo, woo, woo. Some Vaseline. Oh, this is good stuff. Over lotion, I think Vaseline is always number 1. Some pads in case mother is breastfeeding. You can put the pads inside the bra, so in case you're leaking, it won't mess up your bra or your clothing. A Noah and the Animals baby book. So the baby can learn different animals. And this is, of course, Noah's Ark from the Bible. You can read that over and over. How cute is that? Here's some more polka dot. This is a fish bathing washcloth. Put the soap in there and wet it and start bathing the child. The Dollar Tree even have diapers. You want to run in and get some diapers for $1? Dollar Tree has it. Wipes, powder. Notice I'm sticking with that pink, huh? Lavender shampoo and baby oil gel. Lavender. Now I love the smell of lavender, and they say that lavender helps a baby calm down and even fall asleep. So let me smell it. I know it smells good. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, and I got some more puppies. The brown one and the gold one. Puppies. Some wooden numbers and letters. Also some candle holders. Last but not least, I bought another one of these buckets. All these baby items will try to fit in this bucket. Okay, you guys, I appreciate you. Yay! Thank you so much for stopping by and watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and push that notification bell on. Until next video, see you guys. Love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.